Indoor plants requires a variety of nutrients to grow well, therefore we have to make a liquid fertilizer according to their needs. Deficiency of a single nutrient can result in many harmful problems, like brown leaves, drying and burning tips of leaves, stunted growth, black patches on leaves. So the cure of all of these problems is to apply a powerful fertilizer on your indoor plants. Therefore in this video, we will discuss about making the best liquid fertilizer for indoor plants in details. So let's start. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Indoor plants are more expensive and sensitive plants than other outdoor plants, and they also grow very beautifully. So considering these points, we need to provide them a good fertilizer that fulfills their nutritional needs efficiently. For that we have to first know what type of fertilizer works best for indoor plants. Indoor plants are commonly low-light plants, placed in a bright spot with very less amount of sun. Therefore, we have to choose a fertilizer that contains a good concentration of nitrogen and magnesium. These elements are extremely essential for their growth. Your indoor plant's fertilizer must contain nitrogen and magnesium to avoid yellowing leaves, and other trace elements like calcium, phosphorus, zinc, copper, etc. as well. Beautiful pattern and colors of indoor plants' leaves requires a wide range of elements, so must add a good source of micro-essential nutrients as well. This organic fertilizer for indoor plants works really amazing, as it is specifically formulated according to the requirements of indoor plants. Regularly using this liquid fertilizer for indoor plants gives us many benefits, like more leaves and upshoot growth, no browning tips, no yellow leaves, less effective temperature, stronger immune system, a massive root structure, etc. Now let's know what are the ingredients that make this fertilizer so much powerful. They are added in the description box to buy. You can check out that. Eggshells are the best source of organic calcium and other trace elements. These nutrients works very effectively to keep the black patches of leaves away. You can wash the eggshells, dry them in the sun and crush them in powder form, for a faster and effective absorption. The another ingredient for making the best liquid fertilizer for indoor plants is the tea powder. That is a very good source of nitrogen. Because the tea powder is made from the leaves of tea plant, it contains nitrogen, and also contains an acidic effect on the soil, that ensures the better absorption of nutrients in the soil medium. Use of tea powder or used tea powder works really well to maintain an ideal nitrogen content in the soil mix of indoor plants. The next ingredient in our organic fertilizer for indoor plants is not only the best source of nitrogen and magnesium, but it is also contains hundreds of micro elements as well. Cow dung is the best and the most traditionally used fertilizer in all type of crops, but there are several precautions as well that we must know to get most effective benefits of cow dung compost. You can check out a detailed video on uses and benefits of cow dung compost from the description box. The last thing in our indoor plants fertilizer recipe are the leaf molds, that are totally full of essential nutrients. They have high levels of nitrogen and many other elements as well. Leaf molds are very useful to provide to our indoor plants, due to their beneficial effects. Using them in combination with other ingredients make it even more effective. Take all of these organic ingredients in similar ratios and put them in a liter of water bottle. Let them in it for at least 4 to 6 days. After a few days, as the color of the liquid turns, you can stain this liquid in a separate container. Add 5 parts of water and 1 part of this indoor plants liquid fertilizer. Mix well and take a glass of this diluted liquid fertilizer, and add in the soil of indoor plants. A glass of this fertilizer in every 10 to 12 inches pot works very well. Adjust the dose according to the pot size and plant age. Less fertilizer for smaller pots and plants. You can use this organic indoor plants fertilizer every 20 days for quality results. Use regularly and have some patience for visible results. Indoor plants mostly grown as permanent plants, and have seasons. In their growing season, applying this liquid fertilizer gives you maximum results. Avoid using indoor plants fertilizer especially after transplant, and in the dormancy time period. So it's all about indoor plants fertilizer. For any question leave a comment below. And must check out our other videos.